Have you ever spent hours trying to match bank statements with your accounting records? Line by line, only to find that one transaction is wrong? Bank reconciliation is an important process to make sure what's recorded in your company's books actually matches with what's in the bank. But doing it manually? It's slow, repetitive, and painful. Three-step bank reconciliation process. Gleematic can automate the process, so we can work faster and smarter. When reconciling transactions between your bank statement and your internal ledger, simply comparing by date is not enough. Descriptions vary, invoice formats differ, and transaction timing may not align perfectly. That's why Gleematic gives you a smarter, layered approach by applying 3 levels of reconciliation. But first, we have to collect bank statements from Bank Portal. Gleematic accesses Bank Portal to retrieve bank statement. We can tell Gleematic to collect a bank statement for a specific time period. Gleematic will download the bank statement in our preferred file format. Later, Gleematic uses the bank statement to match transactions in the accounting ledger. Now that we have the bank statement, we also need to get records from the accounting system. Gleematic accesses accounting system and searches for the financial records that we need. Then, Gleematic downloads it to be used later for reconciliation. Now, we can go straight to comparing both transactions. We will do 3 steps of reconciliation. First, by matching transactions based on descriptions, then by reference details, and finally by dates. This is the function that Gleematic will use to perform 3-step reconciliation. The function will run automatically in the backend. All we see is the result. No coding is needed. This is the bank statement that we have downloaded previously. Gleematic will match transactions based on date, amount, and description or reference details. This is the ledger from accounting system. Gleematic will match it against the bank statement. We can run Gleematic. Gleematic has finished running. We can check the result. It turns out, some transactions remain unmatched, even after 3 layers of reconciliation. This can happen when key details like amount, date, or reference are incorrectly recorded or differ too much between the bank statement and the ledger. In this case, human review is needed to investigate and resolve the discrepancies and make adjustments as needed. You can save hours of work, reduce the risk of human errors, and easily handle high volumes of transactions. Try Gleematic now to automate your finance processes. Visit Gleematic.com and be ready to work faster and smarter.